First rates on your screen, 5 points down for the Nifty, which is perfectly acceptable. So Indian markets actually are moving in line with Asian markets. 6 points down for Nifty and 14 points down for the Sensex. You want to start with banks. Bank Nifty on Thursday appreciated by about 1% plus. So banks are important. The Bank Nifty, 0.25% down for Bank Nifty, 0.25% down for SBI. 0.25% down for HDFC Bank. Now 0.25% here, 0.25% there, just tells you that today we may not be in for a big trend. So it not be a trend day. Bank of Baroda is looking okay, 735, a rupee up, and then Bank of India is at 355. Hardly any movement in any of the bank stocks. You know, some of these mid-cap bank stocks, normally they are off to either a gap up start or a gap down start. Now let's look at metals. Globally, metal prices are strong, so I'm sure that will help sentiment for metal stocks. No, that's not the story. Metals are also off to a rather flat start. 449 down to rupees for Tata Steel, 201 Sesa, no price action, no volume action. What is happening? Nothing seems to be, there's just no price action on either sides for any of the key large cap stocks. Mid caps also, momentum stocks are up by about 1%, GVK is flat. Again, there is no substantial evidence of price action in a Suzlon or GMR. So I'll have to confess I'm struggling, and honestly I'm struggling to pick up a trend.
Okay, let's just bring up some other stocks which are going to be in focus this morning. I want to start with JSPL, which has suspended work at the Bolivia iron ore mine, and that stock has started off sharply lower, down by about 2.5% or so. Vidicon as well, wherein they're looking to sell their DTH business to rival firms. That is what the newspaper reports are indicating this morning. Vidicon has started off with a tempered gain coming in there. Ballarpur Industries as well, or Built again, is the stock which is in focus. ONGC, which has now sought new allies to drill exploration well in KG Basin. Again, newspaper reports are indicating this morning. ONGC starts off down by about 0.5%. And remember, this is in addition to some weakness for the stock yesterday as well. Bajaj Auto, which has cut prices in Sri Lanka to boost demand. That too is a stock which is in focus. Mahindra Satyam, they're looking for acquisitions in South, Central America as well as Eastern Europe. That is what the news buyers are indicating this morning. So that again is a stock which is going to be in focus. Let's also get you what the rates on Grasim indicate, because Grasim, remember, is looking to buy an Ontario-based paper pulp mill for a sum total of about $44 million. And Grasim has started off well in the green, up about 0.6%. And the Power Ministry has sought inclusion of PTC in the FSAs, or fuel supply agreements. That is what some of the media reports as well are indicating this morning. So PTC starts off with a gain of about 0.5%. Marginally lower, circling around 5,300 for the Nifty. Yet again, there is better traction when it comes to the broader markets. Let's bring up the advanced decline ratio as well as the mid and the small cap indices, and that will give you a clearer picture of how the market breadth is shaping up. So yet again, the traction is in the side markets. India Cements, Lanco, BEL, HPCL, Renka, of course, has started off with a gain of about 1%. You've got a South Indian Bank as well. Good going for that one. Tata Motors, DVR, Bajaj Hindustan, Hindustan Zinc are all names which are looking pretty bright today.